How do I log into my FACEIT account using my Steam credentials?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to log into your FACEIT account using your Steam credentials. If you're a gamer who enjoys playing competitive games, FACEIT is a popular platform that offers competitive matchmaking and tournaments. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of logging into your FACEIT account using your Steam credentials. So, let's get started.
Creating a FACEIT account.
Before we proceed with the login process, you need to make sure you have a FACEIT account. If you don't have one yet, follow these steps to create an account. 1. Go to the FACEIT website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the FACEIT website. 2. Click on the Sign Up or Register button. Look for the Sign Up or Register button on the homepage and click on it. 3. Choose your preferred sign-up method. On the registration page, you'll see different options to sign up. Select the Steam option. 4. Authorize the connection with Steam. You'll be redirected to the Steam login page. Enter your Steam credentials and click on the Login button. 5. Complete the registration. Once you've logged in with your Steam account, you may need to provide additional information to complete the FACEIT registration process. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up your account. Now that you have a FACEIT account, let's move on to logging in using your Steam credentials.
Logging in to FACEIT with Steam credentials.
1. Go to the FACEIT website. Open your web browser and visit the FACEIT website. 2. Click on the Login button. Look for the Login button on the homepage and click on it. 3. Select the Steam login option. On the login page, you'll see different login methods. Choose the Steam option. 4. Authorize the connection with Steam. You'll be redirected to the Steam login page. Enter your Steam credentials, username and password, and click on the Login button. 5. Grant permission to FACEIT. After logging in with your Steam account, you may be prompted to grant permission for FACEIT to access your Steam account information. Review the permissions and click on the Allow or Authorize button to proceed. 6. Congratulations! If everything went well, you should now be logged into your FACEIT account using your Steam credentials. You can now access all the features and services offered by FACEIT. That wraps up our tutorial on how to log into your FACEIT account using your Steam credentials. It's a convenient way to access FACEIT if you already have a Steam account. Remember, FACEIT offers a great platform for competitive gaming, so make the most out of it and enjoy your gaming experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.